Welcome back to another enlightening episode of our exploration into the world of intermittent fasting. In today's discussion, we delve into a topic of utmost importance: intermittent fasting and medication management. Join us as we navigate the intricate terrain of adapting fasting schedules for individuals who are on medications, ensuring a harmonious balance between health goals and medical needs. The intersection of fasting and medications. Intermittent fasting has gained recognition for its potential health benefits. However, for individuals who rely on medications to manage various health conditions, incorporating fasting into their routine requires careful consideration. Consultation with healthcare professionals. If you are on medications, the first step before embarking on an intermittent fasting journey is consulting with your healthcare provider. Medical professionals can offer personalized guidance on how fasting might interact with your medications and health status. Timing of medications. For individuals on time-sensitive medications, fasting schedules may need to be adjusted. Collaborate with your healthcare provider to determine optimal fasting windows that align with your medication schedule. Minimizing disruptions. Medications often have specific requirements for administration, such as being taken with food or on an empty stomach. Adhering to these guidelines is crucial to ensure the effectiveness and safety of your treatment. Adapting fasting approaches. Fasting approaches vary, and some may be more suitable for individuals on medications than others. Explore flexible fasting methods that allow for adjustments to accommodate medication schedules. Balancing nutritional needs. Balanced nutrition remains essential, especially for those on medications. During eating windows, prioritize nutrient-dense foods that support your health and complement your medication regimen. Blood sugar management. Certain medications, like those for diabetes, require careful blood sugar management. Fasting can impact blood sugar levels, so close monitoring and collaboration with your healthcare provider are essential. Hydration and medications. Staying hydrated is vital for overall health and medication effectiveness. During fasting windows, focus on adequate hydration to ensure your well-being and medication absorption. Regular monitoring. Fasting's impact on your health and medication effectiveness should be regularly monitored. Periodic check-ins with your healthcare provider can help assess any adjustments needed. Individualized approach. Every individual's health needs are unique. Tailor your fasting approach to your specific medication regimen, health conditions, and guidance from healthcare professionals. Open communication. Maintain open communication with your healthcare provider throughout your fasting journey. Share any changes in your fasting routine and any potential concerns. Wellness and medication synergy. Ultimately, your well-being is the priority. Strive for synergy between your wellness goals and medication management, ensuring that your health remains optimized. Empowerment through knowledge. Education is a powerful tool. Educate yourself about how fasting and medications interact, enabling you to make informed decisions that promote both your health and fasting aspirations. In conclusion, the delicate balance between intermittent fasting and medication management requires a proactive and collaborative approach. By consulting healthcare professionals, adapting fasting schedules, prioritizing medication guidelines, and fostering open communication, you can navigate this journey with confidence and safeguard your health. Thank you for joining us on this informative expedition. Stay tuned for more insightful content centered around intermittent fasting and its multifaceted implications. Until next time, let us embark on a path of well-informed choices that harmonize our health goals and medical needs, ensuring a balanced and empowered approach to fasting.